How to fix webcam not working on your Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your camera is simply not being opened or not working, so in that case what you might want to do is, first, if it's regarding the hardware issue, you must consult with your nearest customer support for your laptop to check out, or you can also check out on your own by simply readjusting your camera position at the top of your screen. So once you do that, and if you find out that it's the not problem regarding the hardware and it's the problem regarding your application itself, so in that case what you might want to do is just come over to your search menu and just like this search for camera, and you can see there is an option called app settings, so simply open it. So once you open the app setting for the camera, now you just have to simply scroll down from over here. So once you scroll down, you can see there's an option called repair. So if it's not working, you can try fixing it by clicking on this repair button, and if it's still not working, then you can actually reset the whole application and just restart your laptop and your issue should be fixed just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.